Hi, in this quick tutorial you will see how to change screen lock. Follow these steps. Go to the settings, then find lock screen, and then find screen lock, and you can choose from this screen lock: swipe, motion, face unlock, or return, pin, password, unknown. Choose anyone and that's all. If you choose maybe password, you just write password. I will choose file. And next time you lock your phone, your screen lock will be changed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.